What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing some starlights. It's going to take a little time because we got to make a hole for every one of these strands. We got 450 I think. Yep, 450. It comes with a remote so you can change the colors. And then the power supply. Hopefully it's not that hard. I mean,
oh, it is gonna be hard.
Hopefully it's not. As you guys can see, we're in a new location. We're at Nelson's new house, so now we have a garage to work in. It's a little chilly outside and it's dark. What time is it? It's like,
let's see, it's 9:05.
9 o'clock and we can work on our cars. That's great. Yeah. So let's get to it.
Let's do this.
Let's get it. Right, first things first, we're gonna take off the headliner. All right, well, you see these like little, yeah, right there, yeah. There's some screws in there. No, those are just light bulbs. Oh, there is? Oh, but yeah, there's one right there and one right there. There's two of them. 2 screws. I mean, we're just trying to figure out how to take that off, this off, and then just like take this whole thing off right here. As you guys can see. I mean,
first time doing it.
Yeah, first time doing it, so. Alright, so those 2 screws just came out, and now all you got is this little clip in here.
Got push down and pull. It's gonna be pretty difficult. There you go.
There you go. Yeah.
Alright, so we got that out. Now we're gonna try to get this one out. Then we're gonna try to get these little things out.
Yeah, this and this.
I don't know how to do that.
And then these right here.
Oh yeah, those.
As soon as we figure out how to take these off, it should be easy. I mean, there's...
Yeah, I think I know how to do it.
Yeah, these ones look easy.
Yeah.
This, I have no...
I think you gotta twist it, to be honest. Twist it. Yeah, twist it.
Yeah, I don't fucking know, dude. I don't want to break it. Well, if it was my car, I'd just fucking yank that thing out.
Alright, we're gonna try to figure some stuff out then.
Yeah, we're gonna come back.
Alright, so what you guys are gonna wanna do is, you see these little slide things, you have to pry down on it, both sides. And it'll just come down just like that. Same for the other side. Just get your thing in there. Pry down, and then
don't do what you did with the first time.
The front, I hit my face because I didn't know what to do. All you gotta do is like yank off. What the heck was that? Oh, okay. All you gotta do is yank off.
Don't be scared.
That scared me.
You just gotta do it.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna break. Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully it don't break.
You were scared to take it.
He almost broke his face though.
Yeah, I did. That shit kind of hurt.
Alright, now we're just gonna do this one and then we're gonna figure out how to take this light out.
So yes.
Alright guys, after we take these out, we're putting these on the door. I mean, it's common sense where they go, but just to make it a little easier for us and for you, you might want to do that.
Yeah, just put on the door, just so you won't lose it also.
Yeah.
And all those screws that we take off from there, we just put it in the cup holder, as you can see right there. Yo, Red Rexy. So we're gonna figure out how to take this one off now. We'll be right back. Alright, so what you guys are gonna want to do is just get like a little thing that we've been using the whole time.
Flathead.
Yep, just come down on it. All around.
Don't do it too hard though, because you don't want to break that piece.
Yeah, you hear that? That should come off just like that, but then we got 2 screws right in here.
Just like the front ones, we had 2 screws there, and now it's 2 screws here.
Show them the screws, buddy. Yeah. Right there, guys.
And then after you take those 2 screws out,
should be ready. And then we got
we got a few clips here.
Yeah, we gotta figure out about that and figure this out too.
And then how to like undo this. But first we're gonna take these screws out.
Alright, like we said, 2 screws, it'll come right off.
And then you got a harness right here again, just like the front one. press down and pull out.
Right out. What we have here is these clips. What you're gonna want to do, you can use this also. Just pry it down on it, and once you see this white piece, you're gonna want to get under here and then just go put your screw through and just push down. And then once it's like halfway down, you can
Hold
just.
on.
Yo.
God damn, Ricky. This man loud as hell. Okay. Oh wow.
Look at smiling.
Damn, bruh.
We were saying when Ricky interrupted me. Alright, so what you're gonna do is stick this in there, and then you're gonna see like a little white piece just sticking out. You're gonna wanna go under the white piece and just push through. Then you're gonna wanna go under the white piece, pry it down, and it should come right off just like that.
Voila, motherfuckers.
Easy. We got one more?
Three of them in the back.
Yeah, we got one more.
Alright, we're gonna pull in white Rexy real quick. Back it up, back that ass up. Bruh, I'ma scrape right there. Hey! Tough.
So for right here, we figured out. Oh shit! What the? All right, so there's like a little slot right here. You're gonna want to stick your little flathead, stick it through, and then push this back, and then just yank on it, just like that. Then you got two screws right there. I got a brain for it. So you got two screws. Remove that. Then it should fall. Then since this has a light right here, it should be a harness under here. I'm sure there should be a harness. And then for this, I still don't know. I still don't know.
We gotta figure that out.
Oh,
Okay.
Cool.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Did. Yeah, just
like that,
yeah,
fellas.
I think you gotta do the other side.
Oh, let's see. Wow.
See, that's just how we figure out things.
Yeah.
You just stick things in holes and it's good.
That's right. Alright, like I said, guys, there should be a harness here, and I was right.
Yeah, he's lit.
Alright, so I don't know how I'm gonna take this off. I just gotta figure this out. How do you take this off? Let me see the flathead. You got it? Just like that, guys.
Tough.
Just like I said, we just poke
like
stuff.
Yeah, we just stick things in holes and we're good.
Not for this.
Just let you know, your boy found this out.
Alright, yeah, so what you want to do is just stick this flathead in here. That's not. Alright.
Stick it in that little thing, then
Right
you hold
there.
it.
Then you're going to come to the other side. Just like that.
Bam.
Oh, camera's dirty there, fella. Alright.
Alright, so now we're just gonna take it all off.
Just pry up and pull down.
All the way to the back. And it should just fall right down.
Yeah.
We do have like some wires taped in the back.
Yeah, as you
from
can
those
see right
harnesses.
there. Yellow. We did try to take them off, but might as well not to.
But I mean, this part is like, just take it off.
Yeah.
God, man, that don't break.
Alright, so we're gonna.
Oh, and it has clips on them too.
Alright, so we're gonna take off the whole headliner off now, and we'll get back to you guys.
Oh shit. Alright guys, so of course you always run into a problem when you're doing something. There's a whole bunch of harnesses up here, whole bunch of tape, so this is gonna take a little while, but we got a box cutter for the tape, the wires. I don't know.
We're gonna tape them back up though.
Yeah, we're gonna tape them back up.
That we have to tape them back up. I don't want this dangling all around my
Yeah, we're gonna do everything nice and neat. You gotta take our time. Alright guys, so we finally got the whole thing out. You're gonna want to take off your headrest, push these seats in, put these seats down, and we went straight through the trunk. And we got both of them up. So now, we just came back from Target, and we got markers and some pens. Let's get it. We got 450 just for one. So this is gonna take a long time. Guys, first things first, we're gonna clean off any nasty stuff on this, which Nelson like got too excited about the starlights, so.
I just set this thing on the freaking
All right, so we got a Sharpie. We're gonna mark every single like hole. We're gonna have to count 450 times. So let's start. I guess we're gonna start from the middle and like work our way to the outsides, like more in the middle and then fade them out to the sides, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm not an artist, so so let's start it. Oh shit. That's one.
Wow. This is gonna be really hard.
Yeah.
Really hard, guys.
Alright, so one.
Alright, we'll be back when we have a little more done.
Yeah. Finally finished on this one and Nelson's. So this is 450. Tough. Alright, now we gotta stick a hole or like poke a hole and then the thing. Yeah, we're just gonna show you. We're gonna poke a hole. Nelson said we gotta poke double holes because the wire's not gonna fit. So then we grab this. I don't know if you can see it. I'm moving it around. You just stick it straight in the hole. God damn, this is gonna take forever. Alright, so it's in there. And then we're gonna do that to all of them. And then we're gonna get the hot glue gun and do all of them. So I'll just update you guys when we're like halfway through, I guess. Alright guys, little update. It's the next day. This is taking a long time, bruh. This is still our first one. I mean, we did go out to the store a bunch of times to like get these, and then we had to go get some fuses, which the store was closed. So now we got to go today. But I mean, we have like this much done, that much done, bruh. Oh my god. And we still have this. We still have mine. This is Nelson's. This is just taking crazy. It's just crazy. This is not gonna happen. So don't mind that. So we're gonna use a drill. We just
shout out to my boy Angel.
Yeah, Angel came in clutch. So it's a lot easier. We're just gonna make all the holes first and then just thread them in, hot glue gun them after. Finally done.
Almost.
Oh, he has like 2 more.
We think.
We think.
They just be in there.
Yeah, we're just gonna look around. But we're almost done. This looks like a mess right now, but we're gonna try to bring them all together and like tape them or like
do something.
Yeah, do something with it. I don't know, but we're gonna make it more organized. With the next one, we're gonna try something different. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright guys, so Nelson is trying to get it through here.
Oh, no.
Down to the fuse box.
Yeah.
Look how dumb it looks right now. I already started on mine. It's a little bit more neat because we kept this on there. So when you guys want to do it, keep this on there. It's gonna help a lot. Nelson says that he regrets doing this for right now.
Right now, yeah.
He was like, right now he regrets it, but later tonight when he's driving his car, he's gonna be like, damn. So right now we're tucking in all these little wires since we did his all messy. And then we're gonna cut all of these. Then put all the things back, the lights, everything. And then we're gonna do mine. You can see mine right there. Mine's not that messy. We should have just kept that wrapper on his, but we didn't think about it. It's our first time we learn. Put this through here, and there, and here, and here. So it's gonna go through here, inside, down, in, not like in here, but like, you'll see. It's gonna go here and then down here. Tough. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to wire it. So you got your positive and your negative. So you wanna strip it, buy one of these. Let me open this real quick. You're gonna stick your negative wire, your positive wire, not your negative, your positive wire into this. So you can make it like a fuse type thing. Okay, so now that you got that connected, positive to the little fuse thing. So the one that you wanna take out is the cigarette one, right there. So you take this out, let me get the little tool thing. So this one, take it out. So you connect this into here. So once you got that connected to that, you go ahead and you plug it right where that fuse was. Plug it in there. Then you gotta find a ground. My ground is gonna be right here. I don't know if it's gonna be the same for you guys. So I showed you one way to do it, and this is another way. I connected mine to the battery because my fuse box was like, oh no, something was messing up. So I got like a negative and a positive wire. I connected them together so it could be longer. I went through my fender, put some of that there so it doesn't so it's good on there. And then I connected it straight to the battery.
So now all we gotta do is cut these little things just like that. Oop, wrong side. Just cut it, chop, 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 chop. So we gotta do 450 times. As you can see, I've already done it. Mauricio tomorrow's gonna go up and clean this up. This shouldn't be like this. It's gonna end up like that.
Take a look at this, guys. This is sick. They change colors. This sounds tough, man. Be prepared to waste a whole almost 2 days. Nah, probably 1 day. Because we didn't know how to wire it, so that's what took us a long time, but we're gonna show you guys how to do that. So leave a like and subscribe for that.
There's not a lot out there that shows you.
There's no one that shows you how to wire it, or they get the ones that connect into the cigarette jump. Don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that.
You just want you don't want all that extra wire showing. So get the ones. I'm gonna link everything, show you how to wire it. So you should subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks, buddy.